Hey guys, you're watching The Squeeze right here at Disney's London headquarters.
And this is my best friend Worcester, and in my eyes, he's no different to any other pet.
Yep, prepare to find out what happened when Don took said pet to the National Pet Show to compete with other real dogs.
Oh, don't you listen to that nasty woman, Worcester. She's just jealous I like you better.
Hey.
Hey guys, me and Worcester are at the National Pet Show at London's Excel Centre. What's that, mate? You're so excited your wheels are going to fall off. Well, we better get inside then.
Ticket, sir.
Thank you. Come on, Worcester. Let's go. Can I have a map, please?
Of course you can.
This is Worcester.
Hi, Worcester.
Hello, lads. This is Worcester's long-lost cousin, Freddie. Wow. Guinea pigs. Sorry, he just needs to have a bit of a rest. He's a bit tired. Are you ready, mate? Come on, then. Hello.
Tap on the eye in the top right-hand corner of your screen for more of your favourite Disney Channel shows on YouTube.